In this video, I quickly want to look at the styling function that you get within the countdown element. And you know, countdown element, use it all the time for events coming in the future, or when a special is going to end, or when someone is going to have their big wedding. Let's bring in the countdown element, click on Add Elements, and from the Elements toolbar on the left, I'm going to grab the countdown and drag it into a new block. This, of course, will work for Free, Pro, Cloud, and WordPress, all in one go. To interact with it, you simply click on it and you remember how this works. You have the handlebars on the left and right. You can resize the width, but you can also go to the toolbar options and dial the width in here with the slider in percentage, or you can set it to pixels. I'm going to leave it on percentage, and I think I'll just make it a little bit wider so we have some space to play with. Once you have dialed in the date, go ahead to the styling. Now, if we select typography, and you make any changes here, let's just focus on the size. You will see that only the number gets bigger. Note here that in this display, we have the option to choose between number and title, so you can style them out individually. I'll make now also the title bigger. This is important because if we go to responsive display and we select it, you will see that you also have the option separately for the number and the title. I'll make my number bigger here on the tablet, and I'll go to title and do the same. And that, of course, is going to work for mobile. But you will remember, let's just make this bigger, that by default, there are some styling options already applied to tablet and mobile to try and make it look as good as possible. But in this case, for example, I know that my text is way too big. So I'll select the typography, I'll go to title, and I'll reduce it to around 14, 12. I know that's very small, but on a mobile device, I'm not going to complain too much. Same goes for the color, but that is all done within the color manager. So if I select here again, go to color options, you will see that we have the number and then select the title. So even if you want to have a different kind of font for your text, we can do that as well, like this one, Special Elite. Oh, that's for the number. Ah, pretty cool. And let's go for title, Roboto Slab. Or something a little bit more assertive. Comforta, Fira Sans. And you style it out the way you would like it to be. And this way you can really go ahead and create a very engaging countdown section to suit the website that you are building and the style that you want to create with it. I'm going to make this even bigger.